Hi guys! I can't believe it! Roxy is a year old. Let's take a look back at her first year of life and her amazing journey so far. Can you spot Roxy? She's the one with the pink collar. This is the day that we brought her home and Roxy joined our family.
Wait.
We started training right away. Here's our first vet visit.
Oh, this one's
Here's Roxy's first trip to the dog beach. Here she is getting her second round of shots. Roxy's always playing with her food. Here's Roxy giving me some back talk. Roxy's favorite thing to do is run, and boy is she fast. She also loves to chase the kids' cars around the house. And they wear each other out, so it's okay with me. Roxy's always trying new things, and she either likes them or she doesn't. Roxy's always making new dog friends everywhere we go. There she goes, playing with her food again. Wanna come out? No? Yeah? When she met her first cat, we didn't know quite what to expect. Be good. Nice. We even brought her to SeaWorld for the first time. Happy birthday, Roxy! You're 1 year old! Look what we got! We got a bunch of balloons for her. Look at her. She's gonna pop these really fast. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ah! There's one. Ah! Go. What did you do? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
How big a bite of it, Roxy?
She doesn't know what to think because it's on the table.
Bye.
Look at her nose. What a mess. Oh, it's a birthday mess. Messy. Was it good? Wow, what a year it's been since Roxy joined our family. I hope you guys enjoy her as much as we do. We still have a long journey and lots more adventures to come. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of Roxy's videos. And leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you.